Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will learn how you can permanently delete files from your Windows PC so that they can never be recovered again. Now many people think that if they delete files and empty the recycle bin, the data is gone forever. But that's actually a myth. Even if you use Shift plus Delete, your data is still recoverable using recovery tools. So let's get started with the method. First, open your browser and search for Permanent Delete GitHub and press Enter. Now scroll down and open the GitHub link that contains the official permadelete tool. Once the page opens, look for the latest version and click on it to download. The file will be downloaded quickly. Now go to your Downloads folder and open the downloaded file. Accept the agreement, click Next, then Next again, and install the software. Once the installation is complete, click Finish and open the tool. Now you will see a simple and clean dashboard. You will find options like Shred File and Shred Folder. Now let's see how to use it. Suppose you have a file that you want to delete permanently. Click on Shred File. Now select the file from your computer. Once selected, it will ask you for confirmation. Here you will also see an option called Number of Passes. This is very important. Number of passes means how many times your data will be overwritten. More passes means more security, but it will take more time. For normal use, you can select 1 or 3 passes. If you have very sensitive data, you can go for 5 or more passes. Now click on Shred. And that's it. Your file is now permanently deleted. It will not appear in the recycle bin, and it cannot be recovered using any recovery software. Now if you want to delete an entire folder, you can use the Shred Folder option and follow the same process. This method is much safer compared to normal delete. So whenever you have important or confidential data, make sure you use this method instead of simply deleting files. This is especially important before selling your laptop, SSD, or hard drive. After using this method, your data is completely destroyed and cannot be accessed again. So this is how you can permanently delete files and protect your personal data. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.